Hello there. This is part 3 of Siúta Fhavran, and it's the section which gives the chief's reply to the old women who want to borrow his beautiful boat. So, Channaishiv Bheirling. Channaishiv Bheirling. Channaishiv Bheirling. Channaishiv Bheirling. Chanut mi tavarst guiv. Chanut mi tavarst guiv. Chanut mi tavarst guiv. Chanut mi tavarst guiv. San yevshiv chatje. San yevshiv chatje. San yevshiv chatje. San yevshiv chatje. Si bechaltige guiv. Si bechaltige guiv. Si bechaltige guiv. Si bechaltige guiv. Nere galles ne völlig. Nere galles ne völlig. Nere galles ne völlig. Nere galles ne völlig. Heid na sud o sa hiwn. Heid na sud o sa hiwn. Now, in that section, there are lots of examples of a thick N sound. N. There's chanut mi. Chanut mi. That's got a thick th as well. Chanut mi. What's the next one? San yevshiv. Nere galas. N. And H na sud os a hiwn. Hiwn. So those are nice thick N sounds. Now I'll sing it through. Faralalo, oh hedidio, faralalo, oh hedidio, Channaishiv Bheirling, oh you, faralalo, oh hedidio, Chanut mi tavarst guiv, oh you, faralalo, oh hedidio, San yevshiv chatje, oh you, faralalo, oh hedidio, si bechaltige guiv, oh you, faralalo, oh hedidio, nere galles ne völlig, oh you, farlallo, hurri, Ejna södo söjuno hiu, farlallo, hurri. I'll now sing it at speed. Farlallo, hurri, farlallo, hurri, Hanna shiva fjörlen och hiu, farlallo, hurri, Hannet mitt havar skuiv och hiu, farlallo, hurri, Samnev shiva hatjo hiu, farlallo, hurri, Si behaltige guivo hiu, farlallo, hurri, Nerakalles nefeliko hiu, farlallo, hurri, Edne södo söjuno hiu, farlallo, hurri, farlallo, hurri. Shinakave, Gunjij Gumalet.